Today we are going to learn a powerful hatha yogic technique to conjure up the Kundalini, that is Mahamudra. Namaskar. Welcome to Get Inspired Spiritually, a place to find yourself and awaken spiritually. Mahamudra is basically an advanced hatha yogic technique that effectively conjures up the Kundalini. If you have seen Mahavatar Babaji's photo, you can observe that his eyes are upwards towards like this. Mahamudra offers various health benefits, like primarily it de-stresses you if you have any sort of constipation issues or any sort of anxiety or any sort of energy deficiency, like what we call as the cosmic energy deficiency. It provides an abundance of cosmic energy. So these are the benefits it offers. Mahamudra involves primarily three mudras. One is Chin Mudra, or which is also known as the Gnana Mudra. If you hold like this and just hold lightly like this is Chin Mudra. And then the second one is the Kechari Mudra, where you fold your tongue, okay, like this. And the third one is the Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini Mudra is basically like we had mentioned when we were teaching this particular Bahya Kumbhaka Pranayama one, where we used to tell that, the Uddiyana Bandha, which is similar to Ashwini Mudra. The reason why this is called Mudra is like there is a limit to the contraction that you need to do. Ashwini Mudra is where you, like a horse, how it lifts its anal muscles, the same way you need to lift your anal muscles upwards, contract it towards upwards. So this is Ashwini Mudra. This you can practice this wherever you are. You may be working or anything. This is very beneficial to those people who have constipation, piles, fistula, or any other digestive ailments. This definitely alleviates and it clears off any impending motion and toxic substances present in your body. So this way it is. And finally, the ultimate Mahamudra, which is actually the last mudra that we apply here, that is like this, where we uh, look towards the Sahasrara chakra, towards the cosmos. We look at it. So why wait? Let us start the practice. First, for before starting any practice, just first start with the Chin Mudra. Hold like this, lightly. Don't press it. Just lightly you hold it, and you can hold like this or something. Sit straight. Sit straight. Now apply. Exhale of the air in your lungs. All the air in your lungs. Apply Kechari Mudra, and now apply Ashwini Mudra. Lift. Look upwards as much as possible. You can count 10 up to 10, 20, like that you can count. You can rise it gradually to 70 seconds or 60 seconds or 120 seconds. That way you need to. Now let's do the practice. While exhaling, you have to exhale off in a brisk way. This way you need to exhale off. So after this 20 seconds, we did for about 20 seconds. Please close your eyes for 40 seconds, because we will be looking upwards and our eyes get strained, because since we are holding like this, the fluids in your eyes gets dried out. So it is advisable for you to practice this before you do meditation, and then you can go to practice your kriya yoga and mantra yoga meditation, and then you continue this. Right, as of now, I'm just closing my eyes for 40 seconds, because I don't want my fluids to go away. I will be talking. Please don't mind. This is a very useful technique, because this has been a very helpful to me personally, because my right eyesight had they had actually wrong recognized and had given me wrong power. So after practicing this mudra, my right eyes is almost normal. Okay, so this is one that beautiful benefits that what Mahamudra has provided me personally speaking. So you can continue this practice every day before you start your meditation and the pranayamas. So that will be very useful to you. In the next session, we will be teaching you an eye exercise where you can reduce the eye power instantly, and then we move on to Trataka and various other Tratakas, which we can teach, like Darpana Trataka and various other things. That's how we are going to proceed in the coming episodes.